Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you would be fine. Today we are going to discuss something about interior angles and exterior angles. With their titles, you can easily understand that what we are going to talk about today. Interior with its name means something that is inside, and exterior that is something outside. So let us first talk about in the context of the triangles, that what are interior angles and what are exterior angles and how to calculate them, right? Here you can see a triangle, that is triangle ABC. As you all know that triangle has three sides and three angles, right? So it has three angles, angle A, B and C. For example, angle A is 30 degrees, angle B is 70 degrees. So what will be angle C? How we can find it? There is a rule which means that every triangle makes a sum of 180 degrees. That is, when we add all the three angles of a triangle, we get a sum of 180 degrees. So if angle A is 30 degrees, angle B is 70 degrees, we can calculate angle C very easily. As we all know that every time we get a sum of 180 degrees, so it will be equals to angle A, angle B and angle C. So now we'll put the values of angle A, B and C. Angle A is equals to 30 degrees, angle B equals to 70 degrees. So what will be the value of angle C? We have to find out. Here it's 180 degrees, right? So what we need to do, we'll add 30 and 70, it's 100, and then we'll subtract it from 180 degrees. So we'll get angle C, right? We'll get the answer 80 degrees, right? So we got to know that angle C is equals to 80 degrees. I repeat, every time in a triangle, the sum of angles are 180 degrees. And which angles? These angles are interior angles. That is, inside of a triangle, the angles make a sum of 180 degrees. These are the interior angles. All three angles are interior angles. So we got the rule of thumb that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees, right? So if we are provided with two of the values of interior angles, we can easily find out the third value of an interior angle. So you understand, students? I hope it's very much clear to you. With this formula, you can easily find out the value of a third interior angle if two of the interior angles are given to you, right? Okay, now you can see that I have extended the lines of the triangles, and now we have some more angles. These are basically the exterior angles. So you understand, for example, this is X, this is Y and this is Z. First of all, you can see that here we are getting straight lines, right? Number one, this one. Number two, this one. And number three, this one. And we all know that, this straight line makes an angle of 180 degrees, right? Just remember that the sum of interior angles is 180 degree, and the angle of a straight line is also 180 degrees, right? We know the interior angles of this triangle, but we need to find out the exterior angles, that is the angles that are made outside of this triangle. We need to find them out, right? We have angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. So just remember another rule, that exterior angle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. What is opposite of this exterior angle X? It's A and C. Angle A and angle C, their sum is equal to the angle X, right? This is exterior angle and these are opposite interior angles. We will not consider the adjacent angle, that is interior angle that is adjacent to this X, but we'll consider opposite interior angles to find out the angle X, that is exterior angle. Okay? We need to add the opposite interior angles in order to find out this exterior angles. So it means that an exterior angle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angles, right? So if we need to find out the value of X, we need to know opposite interior angles. We already know that angle A is 30 degrees. We know that angle B is 70 degrees, and with the help of the formula of sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, we have found out that angle C is 80 degrees. So what will be the value of angle X? Its exterior angles is equals to the sum of interior angles that are opposite to it, right? So we'll add angle A and angle C. We already know that angle A is equals to 30 degrees and angle C is equals to 80 degrees. So angle X, that is exterior angle, it will be 110 degrees. I hope students it's very much clear to you. And there is one more way to find out the value of X. What is that value? It's actually a supplement angle, that is two angles are making a straight line, and we already know that the straight line gives us the angle of 180 degrees. So if this is equals to 180 degrees and we know interior angle, we already know that exterior angle will be the difference of 180 degrees and 70 degrees. That is also the same. 180 degrees minus 70 degrees is equals to 110. This is the verification of our answer, that we have found out this value of exterior angle correctly. Similarly, we have angle Y and angle Z. We can find out the value of angle Y with the help of these opposite interior angles, that is angle A and angle B. Again I repeat, the value of Y, which is exterior, is equals to opposite interior angles. The opposite of this angle A are angle A and angle B. So if we need to find out the value of angle Y, we need to add angle A and angle B, that are opposite and interior angles to this angle Y. Let us find out the value of angle Y. It's equals to angle A plus angle B, right? We'll put the values here. Angle A equals to 30 degrees and angle B is equals to 70 degrees. We'll get the answer 30 plus 70, 100 degrees. So the value of angle Y, that is an exterior angle of this triangle, is 100 degrees, right? We can cross check it, as we all know that it is also on a straight line, which is the supplement of angle C and angle Y. So we can find out the value of angle Y by subtracting the value of angle C from 180 degrees. The value of angle C is 80 degrees, so 180 minus 80 equals to 100. Here the answer is verify. We can cross check our answers by using the formula of supplement angles, right? Here we have another exterior angle, the third one. So how we can find out the value of angle Z? We will consider now the opposite interior angles of angle Z, that are angle B and angle C. So angle Z is equals to angle B plus angle C. The value of angle B is 70 degrees and the value of angle C is 80 degrees, and the sum is equals to 150 degrees, right? So the value of angle Z equals to 150 degrees. Here the angle is 150 degrees, right? Now we can verify our answers with the help of the formula of supplement angles. We'll subtract 180 and 30 degrees. We need to find out the difference of 180 degrees and 30 degrees. So we'll subtract 30 from 180 and we'll get answer 150 degrees. So I hope, students, that you would have got the concept of interior angles and exterior angles. If you have any sort of queries, any sort of questions, any sort of problems, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet inshallah with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.